This is a Storm Team Alert, certified as Central New York's most accurate.
Well, there's the view over downtown Syracuse, 612 right now. Some snow in the air, a little steadier north of Syracuse, some whiteout conditions, in fact. So getting some fresh snow, that's good news for the ski report. But as we show you this, I do have to caution that, you want to make sure that if you are skiing tomorrow, that you're bundled up, there's no exposed flesh, have that face gaiter on and everything to the nines. Here's the way the ski report looks. And again, with the colder weather coming in, there's been some natural snow, also good snowmaking weather. About a dozen trails along in Labrador. Greek Peak had an inch of snow yesterday, 32 trails there, half a foot in Snow Ridge, and Woods Valley 10 inches from lake effect over the last couple of days. So their conditions in good shape. 38 trails in Bristol. And of course, you get more snow on Sunday as well. We're 95 inches of snow for the season. We're going to go over 100 this weekend, maybe tonight with 2 to 4 inches in the forecast. There's a Cavi Skynet 9 camera east of Baldwinsville. These are the conditions around the Syracuse area for this evening as this band of snow works its way to the south. We zoom in a little bit closer from just north of Sodus and Sodus Bay, stretching south and east. We zoom in a little bit closer from Fulton to Baldwinsville, Lysander, and Clay, the Route 31 corridor, stretching east into Oneida County. Snow picking up around Rome, Western. You're getting some moderate to heavy snow, and with that wind, that makes it feel that much colder and causing problems with blowing snow. 2 to 4 inches in the most persistent snow here tonight after 7 o'clock. So from Syracuse south and west, that's the best chance for that accumulation. Wind chill right now in Syracuse, 11 below, 14 below in Watertown. And I think those wind chills will stay below zero tonight. Could be as low as 20 below in Syracuse by the time you wake up tomorrow morning. And there's the cold air plunging south from Canada. We've been showing you this map the last couple of days. It's 14 below in Duluth, 13 below for an actual air temperature in Fargo. So there's the band of snow. It will weaken tonight, but again, enough to put out several inches of snow. Later tonight, not much left of it as it migrates back to Lake Ontario. A lot of clouds southeast of Lake Ontario. Look at these air temperatures. These are not wind chills. Watertown, 17 below, 20 below in Old Forge to start the day. We're watching the clouds hanging on and a little bit of snow close to the lakeshore. We're in the single digits tomorrow. The wind not as strong, but wind chills will still be below zero. Focusing in on the winter storm, the snow is approaching us overnight tomorrow night. On Sunday morning, a few flurries around 7, 8 o'clock. Steadier snow moving in from the south the rest of the morning. Heaviest snow comes during the afternoon and the first half of Sunday night. We stop it at midnight. By that point, the yellows are gone. And by the time you wake up on Monday morning, you can see the snow beginning to ease. But by noon on Monday, we're talking about widespread 12 to 18 inches, 6 to 12 inches, Watertown, Lowville, up into St. Lawrence County and much of the central Adirondacks as well. Still a very impactful storm for us. And wind chills on Sunday, by the way, they're still going to be near zero. So we're getting heavy snow and wind chills near zero. Not a pleasant end to the weekend. Monday, the snow is easing. Watch out later in the day into Monday night. Could be some lake effect around Syracuse. And then we've got snow showers Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday as we begin to wrap up January. Still cold with temperatures in the teens.
Download the WSYR Plus app on your TV to stream News Channel 9 for free. Just go to your smart TV, search WSYR Plus in the App Store, and download to start streaming today.